Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So this is the Double Owl Birdbath. If you guys didn't catch the thumbnail or the title, this is a custom order, and we're carving it out of pine, running a whole bunch of different steel chainsaws. We'll also be using some power tools near the end to get it cleaned up and add some detail, and finish it off with some paint and a nice clear coat. Now the bowl on top will end up getting an epoxy so it can actually hold water. But you know what? If you are here at this channel for the first time, guys, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. It really helps the channel grow when people give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel grow as well if you watch the video all the way through, and it is much appreciated. Also, real quick, big shout out to all my members who support the channel directly. You guys rock. Thank you for sticking around. It's very humbling that anyone signs up to be a member to the channel, and I am really, really grateful. Thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll have some links to Amazon and a few tools, similar, same kind of stuff that I use if you're interested in that. And you guys can also find all my social media links down below in the description. So be sure to follow me on Instagram. You can even follow me on TikTok, where I make some really short carving videos, possibly go live once in a while. Just some fun stuff. So hope you guys have an awesome day. Stay safe out there, and if you're carving, be sure to keep gripping and ripping and making some sawdust. Again, stay safe. Have an awesome day, you guys. Have an awesome rest of your weekend. Have an awesome week. Create something cool. And yeah, let's make some sawdust. So I've been working away here on the Double Owl Birdbath. Hogged it out. It's about 3 feet tall, out of pine. I gave it a bark look here with the gouge. That gouge does well on that end grain, you know, make some slices with the saw. Get out what you can, and then the gouge can do the rest. Be using the detail bars, kind of make this look like sticks and stuff. We've got to put an anniversary date in here and a little heart and some other stuff down, and some names down on the bottom, but I don't really have all my tools here, so we are without all my tools here. We're gonna have to just teleport this back to my normal carving spot, back by the shop where I've got all my power and stuff like that. And to be honest, the easiest way to do that is to do this. Well guys, here it is, final piece. A couple coats of epoxy and then the rest is polyurethane and paint. This is a custom anniversary gift, custom order. We got the names and a heart down here as well. All carved, one piece of pine. Paintwork's done. I mean, this thing is done. Got this cool piece here you can look through. Got my initials in here. I love the bark pattern, how that came out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you had fun watching me create this piece. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you guys haven't already. You guys can also find links down below. Follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all that fun stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.